Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful petal wheel crochet earring. This pattern is very easy and beginner friendly. For the actual earrings, I usually use the embroidery thread, also known as the pearl cotton material. But for today's tutorial, I'll be using milk cotton, so the stitches are bigger and easier to see on camera. Let's get started. Now I'm going to get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice like this and take it out. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now we are ready with our magic ring. And then I'm going to chain 4 to start with the first round, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to consider these first 3 chains as the first double crochet of the round, and then we need to chain 1. So again we need to work 1 double crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2, and then chain 1. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat 10 more times. We need to make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, chain 1. Repeat the pattern 9 more times. A double crochet into the magic ring and chain 1. A double crochet into the magic ring, chain 1. A double crochet into the magic ring, chain 1. Like that we will continue making another 6 sets of double crochet and chain 1. Now I'm at the end of the first round. If you count from here, you need to have 12 double crochets all around, separated by chain 1 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then we need to work a slip stitch on top of the 3rd chain from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain. So we will insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop to join the round. And then I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring, like so. By the way, if you are enjoying this tutorial so far, please subscribe to my channel and follow HiruHandmade Crochet on Facebook for more easy crochet earring patterns. Then we will get started with the second round. There I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then work a double crochet together into the next stitch here on top of the next double crochet. So for that, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch on top of the next double crochet here, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to make 2 double crochets together into the same stitch on top of the first double crochet and the next double crochet as well. I will show you how to do that. yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch on top of the first double crochet here, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Leave the 2 loops and again yarn over, go into the next stitch on top of the next double crochet, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. When you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. This is 2 double crochets together, and then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Again 2 double crochets together into the same stitch here and into the next stitch on top of the next double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch on top of the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again chain 3. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat until the end of the row. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat until the end of the round. So work 1 double crochet, so work 2 double crochets together into the previous stitch and the next stitch here. Go into the very next stitch on top of the next double crochet and 2 double crochets together like that. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Again chain 3. Continue the pattern until the end of the round and meet me back there. Now I'm at the end of the round. I'm going to work 2 double crochets together into the last double crochet here and to the starting point. That is the last set, and then again chain 3. Now you can see that we have 12 sets all around, separated by chain 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And again we are going to go into the stitch here on top of the cluster here. Go into the stitch and work a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our second round as well. This is what it looks like. And then we will get started with the petals, that is the third round. First I'm going to move the loop into the chain 3 space by working a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And then 3 double crochets together into the chain 3 space. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. When you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. That completes the petal. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat all around, complete all 12 petals. We will go into the very next stitch and work a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3 double crochets together into the chain 3 space. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through all 4. Then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work a slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. Now we have completed 2 petals. Like that, we will just continue making all the petals around the flower. Now I'm at the end of the round and then work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round over here. Chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And then we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails. And this is what I have done by using the embroidery thread material, and you can see the difference of the sizes. Alright, now we will see how to attach all the pieces together to complete the earrings. Now I'm going to take the jump ring. This is the 3mm jump ring. Open it up and I'm going to attach it to a stitch like this. And then I'm going to add this bead to decorate the earring. This is completely optional. And then we will attach the hook ear wire. Open the loop here and slide the hook ear wire in and then close the loop. That's it. Just do the same to complete the other earring as well. Now to stiffen the crochet piece of the earring, I have used some glue, a water-based glue, and then we can just apply that and leave it to completely dry. That is how I have stiffened my crochet earrings, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed making this easy petal wheel earring with me. You can try this pattern using embroidery thread or pearl cotton for a delicate finish. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!